Hello guys! In today's video, I am going to discuss about the partition of India. In another video, I will discuss the impact of partition on literature. So, in 1905, Lord Curzon, the Viceroy of India, announced the decision to partition of Bengal in his divide and rule policy. Bengal was partitioned on religious lines. Muslim-dominated East Bengal was separated from Hindu-dominated West. He tried to divide Indians on communal lines to weaken the national movement. Lord Curzon said that the partition of Bengal is a settled fact. It will not change. Surendranath challenged Curzon by saying, "I will unsettle the settled fact." Partition triggered a huge wave of nationalism. Hindu and Muslim Bengalis from east and west launched an effective boycott of British-made goods. The Indian National Congress announced the Swadeshi movement. Tagore declared the day of partition, October 16, to be a day of national mourning. To signify the bond between Bengali Hindus and Muslims, Tagore celebrated the Rakhi Bandhan Utsav. Kazi Nazrul Islam wrote against the partition, "Mora ekই বৃন্তে দুটি কুসুম, Hindu Musalman." Viceroy Lord Hardinge announced that Bengal should be reunited. The authorities, not able to end the protest, assented to reversing the partition. King George V announced in December 1911 that Eastern Bengal should be assimilated into Bengal Presidency. Districts where Bengali was spoken were once again unified, and Assam, Bihar, Odisha were separated. The capital was shifted Kolkata to New Delhi. আমার সোনার বাংলা আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি। Partition. The division of British India into two separate states, India and Pakistan, on 15 August 1947 was the last-minute mechanism by which the British were able to secure an agreement over how independence would take place. It was announced at a press conference by Mountbatten on 3rd June 1947. 15 August, India achieved Purna Swaraj, ending 200 years of British rule. Bengal's province was once again divided on religious lines. Denominately, Hindu West Bengal remained an Indian state, while Muslim-majority East Bengal became a part of Pakistan. It produced the longest international border between two countries in South Asia, and millions of new citizens who were marked as majorities and minorities based on religious demography. After partition, millions have been killed, raped, and burned alive on the name of partition. Partition triggered riots, mass casualties, and a colossal wave of migration. People took with them only what they could physically carry. Few people stayed in Pakistan by converting to Islam because they don't want to leave their homes. The massacres began soon after the British announced partition. The subcontinent descended quickly to riots and bloodshed. Neighbors slaughtered neighbors. Childhood friends became sworn enemies. Houses were burned and looted. Women were raped. Children were killed in front of their siblings. The India partition asserted is one of the most historical migrations in human history, where millions had to change their native affiliations. People were uprooted from their homeland and forced to migrate. They become refugees, penniless, homeless strangers in a strange island. Refugee camps were arranged with food, accommodations and facilities, but arrangements were so poor that a lot of people died due to lack of medical treatment. When Prime Minister Nehru visited refugee camps, people were shouting against him for dividing country. Over 75,000 women and girls suffered rape, molestation and abduction. Thousands of women were paraded naked in front of their husbands and children. Many women were forced to choose the path of prostitution to survive. History presents only a few facts, while literature depicts the violence, brutality, the pain of partition, the pain of leaving everything after many years. Partition offered a variety of facets and experiences. Different writers chose to emphasize various aspects. তেলের শিশি ভাঙলো বলে কুকুর পায়ে রাগ করো, তোমরা যেসব ধেড়ে খোকা বাংলা ভেঙে ভাগ করো তার বেলা। The essay rhyme became a classic expression of the popular feeling, an incomprehension and anguish that freedom gained at the expense of home and homeland.
তেলের শিশে ভাঙলো বলে উপর পরে রাগ করো, তেলের শিশে ভাঙলো বলে উপর পরে রাগ